This is demo for Transmarver traffic system and viral keyword platform. So first I will log in my account here. Once you log in your account, you will see the dashboard just like this. So right here you will see some trending keywords that are trending right now for multiple countries and in different multiple languages. So right here you have option of manual post or automation post. So now I will go to manual post. Depending upon your package, you will see few countries, like 5 countries for basic package, or you will see 65 countries for gold or premium package. So right here you will see all the keywords that are trending in past couple of hours. As you can see, right now there are around 1500 trending keywords, and for each keyword, country and Google searches, volume, competition, and uh, trending rating will be mentioned here. So on Transmarver system, trending keywords are added every hour. So to see all the keywords, all the trending keywords, you will need to switch to past 24 hours. So I will now switch to past 24 hours and hit search button. So these are the keywords, all the keywords that were trending in past 24 hours from all the countries right here. So you will have a lot of options here as well to sort and filter your results. You can choose languages. If you choose Spanish, Portuguese, so you will see only those keywords. Right, so you can also choose countries and keywords. So Transmarver also has option of choosing topics. You can choose health and fitness, food, garden, travel, and a lot of other topics. So you can also choose for other language as well. You can choose uh, health and fitness and other topics for Portuguese or some other language as well. So coming back to the main page, the most important feature of Transmarvel is that you can find high traffic, high trending keywords with minimum or no competition, which you can analyze by checking out the number of Google search results. So Transmarvel will give you keywords that are high trend but have very few number of Google search result. So if you work on those keywords, you will see some instant traffic and results. So I will choose past 24 hours right here and sort results by Google search low to high. So what this does is shows me keywords that are high trend but have very few number of Google searches. So if you work on these keywords, you will see some very good and instant result on your websites. You can use them on YouTube videos or for affiliate marketing, because there are a lot of shopping and drop shipping keywords as well. So you can use them on shopping, Amazon. So there are a lot of possibilities in which you can use these keywords. So there are a lot of low competition keywords that have very few Google search results but are high trending and have high traffic volume. So you can also save your keyword that will be shown in bookmark keywords. So coming back to the dashboard, here you also have the option of automation post. Now we'll go to automation section. Right here you can choose your website. So first step will be attaching your WordPress website to Transmarvel. Once you have attached the website to Transmarvel, you will see your website right here. You can choose your website. You can choose which countries you want trending keywords. You can choose the trend rating, start date and end date of fetching the keywords and posting them on your WordPress blog. You can also select the topics right here. So Transmarvel also give you option of fetching Google images, YouTube videos, and related keywords that you can post on your WordPress blog, and they will be published to your WordPress remotely on full automation. So after selecting all the criteria, you will just save, and it will start finding trending keywords according to your criteria and automatically publish to your WordPress blog. So this is one of the cool features of Transmarvel where you can put your whole traffic system on full automation. So this is quick demo from Transmarvel.